Hi and welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a little review of an LED light. Now, we use LED lights all the time. They're all around here in the studio. Well, apart from that, that is a strobe. But it's finding one that's affordable and cheap and we can take around. Now there's another version of this which has got a battery, but this one is just cheap and cheerful. And we've got a softbox as well coming in for that as well. It's a standard Bowens fit, which is what I liked. All our kit here is Bowens at the end of the day, so that fits in well. So let's have a little look at what this light is. I'm really hoping that this is good. I've always been pretty pleased. It's Godox, by the way. I've always been pretty pleased with Godox stuff that we've had. There's some manuals there. Oh, lens cleaning paper. Wow. Interesting. Maybe we'll read the instructions. Maybe we won't. Let's have a look. The other thing I liked about this, it came with a little remote control as well. So, let's... Oh. Sort of wants to come out, sort of doesn't. And that's why it doesn't, I think. Wow, impressive. Okay, I think, yeah, it's just bits of packing and silicone gel. Decent size lead, perfect. Well, length lead rather than size, perfect. You need to move it around the studio. Got a little pop out there for the umbrella, if you want to put an umbrella onto this as well, onto your stand. I probably won't be, so I'm just going to leave that in there for now, rather than tape it up or anything. I don't think it's going to cause much light leak, really. So this is equivalent to 60 watt. That was a bit dubious that that came off straight away. So we'll have to see. That's just protective cover to protect the lens onto that. So let's drop that round. Little catch for the bone stuff. So let's drop that on for now. Just so that we can protect that. Locks nice and solid, like that. Should we just power it on and see? And then we'll do a proper look at it lit later on. Let's just go and find a power source. Here we go. Let's see how long this cable is. It's long enough to reach from the other side. Right, let's drop this in. Way, we have light. Woohoo! Scary, I know. Lowest intensity 10%, all the way through 100%. That's pretty bright. Be interesting to see when I put a softbox on that, what we get. I think that's for changing channels. Yes, obviously for the remote. And you've got a little push button for setting some of those as well. Let's have a quick look at the remote. Now this is just a white light. I can't alter the temperature or anything else. I think it has got a bit of change in there, but as a main light, I'm not too fussed, to be fair. Are we going to need batteries for this? Did it come with them? No, AAA batteries, so we're going to need those. So let's just turn that off, go and get some batteries. Here we go, 2 AA batteries, and hey presto. So we're going to have to change the channel, I believe, to match. Let's put that to channel 4, and we're on A. So that should be there we go. And it's increasing the brightness. Whether you can see it or not, the number's going up there. So that's working quite nicely. And that's great. If I'm doing this, we've got a softbox, we just want to remotely put in, we can have multiple ones, and we can turn the light off as well. Beautiful. Okay, first impressions. I'm pleased. So let's see what this is like in the real world. Oh, we've actually got, yeah, we've got the umbrella mount into there as well. So if we'd have put that on in the right way, with that down the bottom, they're lined up perfectly through to there for your umbrella. I personally, 60 watts, not enough to really make the most of an umbrella. I wouldn't have thought. We would want probably 400, something like that, to get a real good thing out of for that, which we're not really going to get with LEDs, to be fair, at the moment. I'm sure time will come and it will sort out that way. But with a softbox is going to be great. I will stick a softbox and we'll try that in the next video. And I'll come back and let you know what we're like for light. We've got this light coming down here now. This is the Godox light that we unpacked earlier. We've put it in. I'll show you around in a minute how we've set it up. Lovely light coming out. We've got this little controller here. So you can see, they're going to zoom into that. It might not, because we're on face detect. Oh yeah, there you go, yay. So you've got that little controller. Now, although this controller does say it does white balance, it doesn't really at all. It is literally just brightness, so we can put that up. That's at 100%. And all the way down, if it goes, there we go. And we're dropping down, we're at 60, we're at 50, 40, 30, 25, that's it. Then we got off as well. So let's put that back up. I think about 75 is good in here. Now, it is a little bit noisy. Has a fan going, I can hear it quite audibly in here. I don't think you're going to be able to hear it. I think that should be fine, but it depends. If you've got a boom mic that's picking this up, you might well get it in, to be fair. So you're just going to have to play that by ear and try it. It's not really that bad. You could do a sound balance at the front, which is where you just take a audio of the quiet room and then take that out in Audition afterwards or something like that. That could work. It's too much processing for me. I just want to record something, go, and that's it. But the convenience of this now, the one thing I did find that we're a little bit short of space, go figure, in this little setup anyway. It's not like the studio where I've got loads of space and we can have lights hanging off everywhere. It doesn't work that way. So what I've had to do here is I didn't want to have stands everywhere. It's a real pain in the arse. What's that? Yeah, it's a real pain in the arse moving around this room if you've got stands and everything. So I bought a little bracket off Amazon and it just fits into the ceiling. Screwed it into one of the rafters and so far, touch wood, that's not wood, touch wood, that probably is, it's holding up quite well. It's holding in there. The light itself is actually light. The softbox that I got for it, okay, it was slightly bigger than I thought it was going to be. Hey ho, never mind. But the light out of it is gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. Really, really happy with the light that we're getting out of this. It's a bit like a parabolic, the way it is, the depth on it. It is gorgeous, lovely, lovely softbox, and the grid's perfect on it as well. Can't beat it for the value for money, superb. But it was a little bit bigger than I was expecting. Should have really taken note. Dimensions were there, just didn't think about it. So hence, having this on the ceiling does make a huge difference. So I'll show you that in a minute now. So there we go. Okay, there we go. We've got the light on the ceiling with the softbox on it. Nice little softbox, just pointing down to the bit of desk we got there. So if we go and have a look up here, we've got just a light stand bracket on it there. We can get that in focus for you. There we go. And we've just got that in. Now, luckily, the cable just fitted, so I've still got room to point that down with that light fitting that we chose, and that is literally just fitted in. Let's put that ISO up a little bit so we've got a bit of, see what's going on there. There we go. So we just got a little light bracket onto that that's attached, and we've got the cable running down. So the light bracket stays there permanently. I just take the light down when it's not needed, if I want the room back for anything, and the cable just stores away, ready to go. Okay, I hope that's answered all your questions. If you have any other questions about this light, then just leave them in the comments below and I'll get back to you as I normally do. I will leave a link in the description below to the light, to the softbox, to the little bracket that I use for the ceiling as well. I hope you like that. If you did, a thumbs up would be absolutely fantastic. If you want to see any of the future stuff that we do, then just subscribe, that would be brilliant. And look forward to seeing you all soon. Cheers now.